you're doing?
Well, I decided it was ridiculous not being at my own children's 21st.
Does John know about it?
Thought I'd surprise him.
Look, I told you yesterday, Pat. I don't want you around my family.
Oh, what about what I want, David? They're my children. This is a big day in their lives, and I would like to be there.
Tough. You're not getting in, Pat. So just leave.
I am probably the one person who has a perfect right to be there. I am their mother.
And I'm their father.
That's what you think. I was pregnant when I met you. They're not your children. Oh, that'd make a nice little birthday present, wouldn't it?
You put your face through that door, and I'll flatten you.
Did you get it there okay, love?
Yeah, fine.
What sort of setup was it?
Oh, a couple of blokes with cameras, a lot of lighting gear, and being outside the cultural centre.
Are you okay, love? You look a bit pale.
Yeah, nothing a beer won't fix.
I'll get it.
Sit there, young man. Kevin. Excuse me, everyone. While we've still got him sober, I think we should get him to propose the toast.
Oh, yeah. Give a bloke a go, eh?
Come on, we've been waiting for you so we can cut the cake. Come on, you two. Up.
I hate this sort of thing.
Oh, yes, she loves it.
Go on, David.
Just say.
Take a swig of that. Make it easier.
I'm glad I left the wedding speech to you, Gordon. There's not much I can say, really, except that they're a couple of beaut kids, and I'm proud of them. And I'm proud to be their dad. That's about it. I never could make a speech.
Yeah, well, right. Well, come on, cut the cake. Come on, Angela, come on, John. In the middle. Oh, yeah! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip.
Hooray! 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 For they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows. And so say all of us, and so say all of us, and so say all of us, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows, for they are jolly good fellows.
Love is very strange, it can come and go.
It can happen when you are young or old.
When it comes from nowhere. When it comes, it changes your life.